see that? Come along with us. We are taking you to the base of Cummins Falls.
Welcome to Cummins Falls State Park, Tennessee.
Visiting Cummins Falls State Park, they have a flag advisory system. So you're going to want to pay attention to where they are on the flags and what your level of participation is with the flags. Just an overview of all the warning signs here. You can pause the video and read all of those signs if you want. This is brand new. Yeah.
They have made a lot of improvements here on the trails at Cummins Falls, which makes the hiking more pleasurable. This is the old trail getting in and out of the base of the waterfalls back before it was a state park, but now it's for emergency evacuation only. If there happened to be a flood while you're down at the base of the waterfalls, this is the emergency way of getting out.
All right, guys, we have made it down to Blackburn Fork River here in the gorge. When we first get down here, we like to hike upstream just a little bit farther. There is flat stone up there, and that's where we like to cross.
Ooh, it is slick. It is pretty slick out here on this flat rock, so be careful and make sure you got some good shoes on. All right, we're getting really close to the waterfall now, and at this point, you either got to decide to cross or just continue on down the right-hand side of the river. You can get to the waterfall either way. We mentioned the emergency evacuation trail earlier from up top, and now here we are down below. And this is the emergency evacuation trail from down below. If there's any unexpected flooding down here, this is where you will come to get out of the gorge.
This has been a local spot for many years from what we've been told. It became a state park in 2012, I believe.
I think so.
So what the locals referred to as the Ninja Trail is now just the emergency evacuation. There's a flood safe area there. Do what?
In case of a flood, there are 3 flood safe areas here at the base of the waterfalls. This is the first one you come to, and as you can see, there's plenty of life jackets. The other 2 are on each side of the base of the waterfall, but neither one of those flood safe areas have life jackets from what I can tell. Although it costs nothing to visit our state parks here in Tennessee, there is a $6 fee per person to come to the bottom of the waterfalls.
We recommend that you go online and go ahead and purchase your permits before you come down here. It's a new system they put into place to help control the crowds down here. It has a tendency to get overcrowded.
They are trying to limit the amount of people that come down here to the base of the waterfalls. During the weekends in the summertime, there are as many as 7,000 to 8,000 people that come here to the state park. And there are hundreds of people down here in the gorge at the base of the waterfalls. And if there's a flood upstream somewhere, it could get real serious real quick down here at the bottom of the falls. And it's just impossible to rescue hundreds of people from the bottom of the gorge.
Yeah. So controlling the crowd down here is going to help keep everybody safe. Wow, guys, Cummins Falls State Park. What did you think? It is beautiful. Planning your trip to Cummins Falls, it takes a little more thought than a lot of our Tennessee state parks do. You need to check the weather, make sure there's not going to be a big rain system coming through, or even the couple of days before. And you need to go check online with Cummins Falls State Park. They'll let you know if the gorge is going to be open or not. And you need to buy your permits online. It's a little more complicated, but look at this. It is so worth it.
That's another Tennessee state park checked off our list. So subscribe to our channel to see what state park we go to next.
There's a little snake. A little snake.
Really?
A little snake.
There's 2 of them.
They don't want to be on camera, do they?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Hi, little buddy. Guys, this is their home. We are visiting them, so don't be scared of them. Just let them be.